Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at these solar security lights by Senaton. And they were nice enough to send me these lights for free so I can make a video showing them to you. We're actually looking at two different Amazon ASINs. On this side we have the 2-pack of this style light, and on this side we have the single of this light. So two separate products available on Amazon. Now overall they are very similar. Looking at the single light first, you see we have the adjustable panels here. It's a little dirty because I already had it outside. And then the solar panel also adjusts. You can see the solar panel both pivots and swivels, and for this light you mount it right at the back of the solar panel. It does come with the hardware that you need there, and this light has a simple on-off button right here with your motion sensor right next to it. Now the 2-pack of lights is slightly different. We still have a pivoting and rotating side light on either side, and we have the same solar panel that can spin around, pivot, swivel, all that. And we have another panel right at the bottom. This one mounts right on the back of the light, and we have the on-off button is recessed inside that hole, so we get two sets of these. And one thing in here is the little poker, so we can stick it right inside this hole to turn the lights on. Now if we look at the instructions from each light, they are very similar. It's about the same solar panel. The battery is a little bit bigger on this single one over here, but also the lumens are drastically different. We have 1200 lumens listed for this light, and these are listed at 256 lumens. So we're going to get these all set up outside and see, does this one really seem that much brighter, and see what we think about them in general. Added both lights to the back of the garage wall. The single guy there, and then one of the pair over here. Gets dark out, we'll see how they do. Well, motion sensor works. And they're both on. Good boys, you trigger that motion sensor. Well, you can see the one on the right is for sure brighter. You can tell pretty easily even on the screen. Also notice the one on the left, with the one panel being aimed directly down, it's almost kind of a waste because it's mostly just shining on the garage there, where this one you have a little bit more control over aiming it. But it does illuminate pretty well. Well, there you have it, guys. The light you can get is a 2-pack there on the left, and the single light on the right. Thanks for watching.